Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and watching. In today's video, I am sharing with you a new recipe that I created recently that I just thought was amazing and wanted to share with you. It is a kale cranberry quinoa salad. It's got lots of great flavor and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's just get going. To get started on this recipe, you will need 3 cups of cooked and cooled quinoa. You will also need a nice healthy bunch of green curly kale, and you're going to want to destem the kale. You don't want any stems in this recipe, so just peel the stems right off the kale, and then you're going to chop that up into really nice fine pieces. You don't want any real large pieces of the kale. It's going to look something like this, almost shredded. Then you are going to need half of 1 red onion, and you're going to dice that up. Relatively small pieces, nothing too large. You're going to sprinkle that on the kale, and then you're going to take a 1/4 cup of roasted pumpkin seeds, a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, 1 cup of dried cranberries, 3 cups of your cooked and cooled quinoa, 1 can of grained and minced chickpeas, and then you're going to give this a really big stir. It's a little hard in this bowl because it's kind of a large salad, but you want all the ingredients to be nice and combined, just like this. Next, let's start on the dressing. We need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard. We need the juice of 2 fresh lemons, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to whisk that together and make everything nice and combined. You almost want this to get a little bit thick so it'll nicely coat your salad. Next, you're going to take the first half of the dressing. So half of the dressing you're going to put on initially, and you're going to stir that up together really nice, and then you will take the other half and also stir it in. What you're looking for is a nice glaze over the salad. Nothing too thick, just nicely coated. And then you're going to sprinkle a 1/2 cup of feta cheese on the salad. And then look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It is time to eat. Okay, now it's time to give it a try. Let's just dig right in. Wow, that's really good. You get a nice zing from the lemon, a little bit of sweetness from the maple syrup. The stone ground mustard comes through pretty good. The kale and the quinoa, everything, it's just flavored really nice. These flavors really complement each other very well. I highly recommend this salad. It came out awesome and will become definitely a summer. And that's all I have for you guys this time. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It is amazing and will not disappoint. I definitely give this recipe 2 thumbs up. I also have other recipes if you'd like to check those out for more dinner time ideas and just salad recipes, dinner recipes, all of it. I will leave some links up here. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.